So I was getting ready to use the internet when I seen a news headline stating that California just passed Assembly Bill 418 and becomes the first state in the United States of America to ban the food additives of brominated vegetable oil, potassium bromate, prolpylparaben, and red dye number 3. Titanium dioxide was removed from the list of chemicals banned as food additives on California's Assembly Bill 418, 1 month prior to the bill passing. The United States Food and Drug Administration states that titanium dioxide is safe as a regulated color additive in foods, although this food additive is banned in Europe. These food additives and food color additives are found in several manufactured processed foods, like candies, cookies, soft drinks, sodas, energy bars, and many other foods. These food additives will be banned beginning in 2027 due to their links to cancer and adverse health effects. You can check out a featured video where there is an in-depth explanation of each ingredient that will be banned. This video will be linked in the card up top or video description below. California passing this bill will inspire other states to start looking into food ingredients, preservatives, and additives to determine if they are safe to eat. California has followed in the European Union's footsteps, as these chemical ingredients are already banned in Europe. Next up is New York. The New York State has a similar bill called Senate Bill S-6055A that prohibits certain food additives and food color additives. The additives on this bill are the same as California's Assembly Bill 418 of brominated vegetable oil, potassium bromate, prolpylparaben, red dye number 3, and titanium dioxide. The Senate Bill S-6055A status is currently in the Senate committee. If this bill passes, it will be enacted on January 1st, 2025. This is great news and will send ripple effects out. We are one step closer to a healthier society.